The number one tool every affiliate marketer needs. Welcome to the ultimate affiliate email funnel generator. Save massive amounts of time and increase conversions. This is a free affiliate email funnel generator that's going to design storytelling, captivating emails that hook readers, engage them, and drive them to click on your affiliate link and hopefully convert if you got a good product you're promoting or selling. But that's what this free tool is going to do for you. So if you're an affiliate marketer, it's going to save you a lot of time and energy. And this is way better than going to ChatGPT and doing it, because this has a professional prompt built into it, and it's specifically geared for affiliate marketers, and it's going to save you time. All you got to do is come over here and do it, as opposed to, if you want to do something like this on ChatGPT, you got to find the right prompt, and you got to give it the right commands to get the right output. This is already done for you, and it produces excellent emails. I'm going to give you a demonstration of this in a second here. But what it does, it's the ultimate tool for affiliates looking to save time, boost conversions, and drive sales. This automated system, like I said, it's built with a professional prompt inspired by one of the world's best copywriters. Allows you to effortlessly create a fully customized, high-converting email sequence that's tailored to your audience. And what you're going to do here is you're going to go over to step 2. Step 1, I highly recommend you sign up for this. You're going to get the 7-day email funnel and headline generator, as well as a couple other free tools. You can check that out on the link on top of on this button up here on the top of instantsalesfunnel.com. And there's a few more freebies I'm giving away as well. So check that out. But under step 2, all you're going to do is enter your affiliate program details, click to generate, and watch your output appear below. So what we're going to do here is where are we at here? I came up with 3 programs just for this demonstration video, 3 ClickBank products, and I want to show you how good the emails it produces are. We're going to put this in, make it as short as possible. This is for a product called Ted's Woodworking. It's been around for like over a decade. It's one of ClickBank's best sellers in the home and garden category. Now we're going to go back over to our free tool, and we're going to put in product is called Ted's Woodworking. Affiliate link, we're just going to put anything in here, but that's where your affiliate link is going to go if you're promoting a ClickBank product or whatever. Put your affiliate link in there, and then you're going to put for your email goal. We're going to kind of illustrate the journey of a hobbyist eager to start woodworking but overwhelmed by a lack of clear plans. We're going to put engage the reader and inform and make them take massive action on my affiliate link. Now we're going to click submit here, and we're going to see what it comes up with. Just takes a few seconds, and I'm going to read this email to you when it's done. And then we're going to move on to the next product. I'm going to show you another example as well with another niche. But you can use this for any niche. So if any affiliate product, pretty much anything, and it's already done here. Comes up with a subject, how I went from clueless to crafting masterpieces, my woodworking journey, not bad. And it says, hey, and then the email signature, your recipient's name, usually it'd be first name there. Let me take you on a little journey, a journey that started in my cluttered garage surrounded by piles of wood and a heart full of dreams. I was just like you, a hobbyist, eager to dive into the world of woodworking, but utterly overwhelmed by the chaos of plans, or rather the lack thereof. Picture this. I had visions of creating beautiful furniture, intricate designs, and maybe even a birdhouse or two. But every time I scoured the internet for plans, I found myself lost in a maze of confusion. Half-finished projects, wasted materials, and a growing frustration began to cloud my passion. I felt like a ship lost at sea, desperately searching for a lighthouse. Then one fateful evening, I stumbled upon Ted's woodworking. I clicked on the link, a flicker of hope igniting within me. What I found was nothing short of a treasure trove. Over 16,000 step-by-step woodworking plans, each laid out with crystal clear instructions. It was like finding the map to buried treasure. With a racing heart, I dove in. The plans were not just detailed, they were like having a personal mentor guiding me through every cut, every joint, every nail. I started with simple projects, and before I knew it, I was crafting my first coffee table. The satisfaction I felt as I sanded the final edges was indescribable. I was no longer just a hobbyist, I was a creator. Now I want you to experience this transformation. Ted's Woodworking can turn your dreams into reality, just like it did for me. If you're ready to break free from the confusion and unleash your inner craftsman, click here, and it's got your affiliate link right there. Then you got to imagine the pride you'll feel as friends and family admire your creations. Picture yourself confidently tackling projects that once seemed impossible. This isn't just about woodworking, it's about building a legacy, one project at a time. Don't let uncertainty hold you back any longer. Take the leap of faith and let Ted's Woodworking guide you to mastery. Your journey awaits, and I promise you it's going to be one incredible ride to your woodworking success, your name, and that's it. So all you do is you come here, copy it, copy the output, and you bring it over to your favorite email autoresponder, which could be Aweber or GetResponse. ClickFunnels, whoever you may be using, and you paste it in there and you can send it out to your subscribers. Now you can do this with any, like I said, any niche, any product. And what's awesome about these emails is they're kind of indirectly selling, but they're providing value to your readers. They're telling a story, so it's fun. They're fun to read. You can see how good this was, and it's not like, straight up, just like, here's my affiliate link, click it, buy now. It's not in their face. It's giving them value, it's keeping them entertained, and then it's directing them, it's painting a picture of how good this product is, and then it's directing them to your affiliate link, which is going to, increase your clicks and your conversions greatly by using this kind of email. That's all you got to do. This tool creates one at a time. This one creates 7 at a time. And it's a prompt that I created, very, very good. It builds on this, and you get a free headline generator as well. So if you want to check that out, you can. But you can use this as well and just do them one by one using this free tool. And there's no email sign up required for this. If you don't want to, that's fine. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to ClickBank again, and we're going to try a different product here in a different niche. We're going to go over to... We'll go over to e-business and e-marketing. We're going to find anything here that sounds not halfway shady. We could do SaleWho. That's a drop shipping company. We'll do this one. We'll do SaleWho. We're going to click promote. I'm going to put in my affiliate nickname. And we're going to get that affiliate link, copy it, hop link copy. We're going to go back over the free tool at instantsalesfunnels.com. We're going to refresh this page. We're going to paste that affiliate link in there. That's all you do. Product name and details. I'm not going to get too involved in this one. Tell a story about SaleWho. Drop shipping, and how it helped me build my business in record time. The email goal: to entertain, drive conversions, and sales. Now what we're going to do here, you could put anything in here. You could, if you want a different way to talk, like a different, you could put that in there as well. If you want it to be funny, creative, whatever, you can also add that as well too. Pretty much do anything you want with this. So So we're going to click submit here and see what it comes up with. See how the email comes out. And here we go. Just like that. See how quick that is? Here's the subject. How I went from zero to hero with Sale Who Dropshipping. Good. That's actually a pretty good subject line. Hey, and then your subscriber's first name. Let me take you back to a time not too long ago, a time when I was stuck in a 9-to-5 grind, dreaming of a life where I could work from anywhere, sipping coffee on a beach while my business thrived. Sounds dreamy, right? But back then, it felt like a distant fantasy. Then one fateful evening, I stumbled upon something that would change my life forever. Sale Who. I clicked the link, and what I found was like discovering a treasure map in an old pirate's chest. Sale Who is not just another dropshipping platform. It's the ultimate toolkit for anyone who wants to break free from the shackles of a boring job. With their incredible directory of suppliers and comprehensive training resources, I felt like I've been handed the keys to a vault filled with golden opportunities. I dove headfirst in the world of dropshipping, armed with Sale Who's insights and resources, set up my online store, and within weeks I was making sales. The thrill of seeing those notifications pop up on my phone was intoxicating. I remember the first time I made my first sale. My heart raced like I had just won the lottery. This wasn't just about the money, it was about freedom. The freedom to choose my hours, my products, and my lifestyle. I was finally living the dream I thought was just a fantasy. Now I want you to experience this life-changing journey too. If you've ever dreamt of starting your own business but felt overwhelmed, let me tell you, Sale Who is your answer. They provide everything you need to succeed in the dropshipping game, from finding reliable suppliers to understanding market trends. So are you ready to take the plunge? Click the link below and start your adventure today. And then at the bottom here it says, don't let fear hold you back. The life you dream of is just a click away. Join me and countless others who have transformed their lives with Sale Who to your success. Remember, fortunes favor the bold. Take the first step and watch your dreams unfold. Now, how entertaining are these emails? And every email is going to come out like this, where it's going to engage your subscribers. It's going to keep them reading. I'd like to, if I had an email in my inbox like this, I'd actually read it. I'd be like, oh, these are kind of entertaining. So I'd read it, and then they're not too pushy and too salesy, and they get down to the end. Yes, you're selling something, but you're giving value, giving a story about how this particular product or service helped you with whatever it was you're trying to accomplish with this. With Sale Who, it would be drop shipping in this scenario. But yeah, it's going to force your subscribers to entertain them a bit. Give them a nice story. Everybody likes stories. And then kind of soft sell them into taking action on your affiliate link. And that's what you want. Clicking on that link, driving your subscribers to the sales page, and letting that sales page do its job and convert subscribers to sales in your bank account if you're an affiliate marketer. So that's what this tool does. Very useful tool. It took me a while to put together, but real simple for you to use. Go over to instantsalesfunnels.com. Link's going to be directly below in the video description box. And go to step 2. And let me know how you like it in the comment section below. If you do decide to give it a try, let me know what you like about it. And you can come on over here and just create emails, copy and paste them, and put them in your email sequence, and hopefully it drives a lot of sales for you. And like I said, if you want the 7-day email funnel and headline generator now, top of the blog right there. So check that out as well. So with that being said, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got some value out of this. And this video was informative. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it. Or the like button. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.